Ariana.
And I am Shayla. So today we're going to talk about how and what we should do to be good in school and other questions. So the first thing is, what are the importance to go to school?
It's important to go to school because when you're older you want to have a good job and earn good money. So it's very important to be good in school so that you can achieve that.
Yeah, if you want your dream job, your dream career, whatever, you need to put effort in everything you are doing. So study more and achieve your goal. So then the next question will be, how can I be good in school? With what items or Shayla, please.
Yeah, so first of all you have to study. You can ask a lot of questions also to your teachers. You can go to the internet and research things that will help you. Buy some books you could learn with,
And how she said you should as well read a lot because reading is a good way to get information, and you should never forget to stay focused on the things you do and never lose your mind because of maybe playing football or something else. You should really stay focused. When you take your time to learn, you should take the focus and the time to really meditate on it and don't get distracted by other things like your phone or playing around.
you have to take it serious. And
Okay, then my last question for today is, after school, what kind job or what do you think, should we stop it or how should we continue?
So I think when you really want to earn some money, it's no problem but it could be a problem at the point when you start losing the focus from the school. When you do your job, and still stay focused on school and still doing your work and getting good grades, it's not a problem. Doing jobs, but when it's coming to get a problem, I would rather stop it because when you're older and you have the good grades now, later when you are older you achieve more and get even more money. So I would just stay at this time more focused.
Shayla, can you please put a little bit more in it? I know she talked so much, but a little bit more.
I think she said it all. Just focus on what you're doing and don't lose your focus.
Okay, then thank you for answering my question. For you also kids, be focused in everything you do. Be focused and don't stop studying. That was me and my two guests. Bye!
Mujabi
Bye.
TV.